So alam mo ba, sa Pilipinas lang ngayon, almost 5 billion searches ang nangyayari every day. Tapos si Google, almost 97% ay occupied niya na. So kung ikaw ay business owner, tapos you are not advertising online, isipin mo lang kung gaano kalaki ang nawawala sa'yo na revenue, araw-araw. So kung ikaw ay isang college student na gustong kumita ng around 40 to 50k monthly habang nasa bahay lang or habang nag-aaral without spending too much time in front of your computer, or isa kang business owner na hindi alam kung paano mag-advertise online, eto na ang pagkakataon mo. Enroll in our Google Masterclass training. Magtuturo kami about search ad. Hihimayin natin kung paano mag-advertise na maayos online. Kasama ko nga pala si Sam, ang kaibigan ko na more than 6 years ng trainer sa Google mismo nagtuturo about Google advertising. At ako, I've handled multiple accounts with over $10 million per year as a monthly budget. So, I will share my skills. I will share what I know about advertising. I will share with you practical strategies kung paano mag-handle ng maayos ng isang account from a large enterprise company up to brick and mortar business. Ituturo ko sa inyo. Hihimayin natin yan, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga strategies kung paano nyo gagawin yan. But first, ituturo ko sa inyo yung fundamentals, yung mga dapat nyo lang malaman about search ad. So, if you're interested and if you really want to learn about advertising Google Ads to be specific, please register now sa link below. Thank you. I'll be waiting for you.